Well, hi everybody, and good morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We are now into the month of November, which actually brings a nicer day than the final day of October. Yesterday, of course, for all those that took trick-or-treaters out, it was cold out there last night, and I don't think the kids stayed out quite as long as they typically would. Now, as we look at our futurecast this morning, one thing that's not showing up too well is there is a little bit of light precipitation out towards the Lincoln, Omaha area in eastern Nebraska. A little bit of light snow or light wintry mix to start things off this morning. Most of us, though, are waking up to mostly cloudy skies. The good news is, though, we'll eventually get some sunshine. It may take some time this morning, but eventually the sunshine will work out. We've actually had a warm front move through, so temperatures have actually risen a few degrees this morning, and they will climb quite a bit today. But there is going to be a wide range in temperatures, coolest east, warmest to the west. Unfortunately, it's kind of short-lived, though, because we do have a cold front that comes through tonight from the northwest. We also see an increase in clouds this evening, becoming partly to mostly cloudy out there overnight tonight. And we'll start off partly to mostly cloudy. It'll actually be a little warmer tomorrow morning, but not as warm for highs tomorrow for most of us. Partly to mostly sunny skies later in the day. Maybe a little light rain to start up towards the far northern part of the state, or a rain-snow mix. Most of us won't have to deal with precipitation, though. I'm going to call it partly cloudy for your Thursday. And highs, again, as I mentioned, will be a little cooler. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 40s to the northwest, and then low to mid 50s to the southeast, and in fact, maybe even some upper 50s in the far southeast. But I think lower to mid 50s around the Tri-Cities area, and even cooler area yet to come for your Friday. So looking at your forecast for today up north, mid to upper 50s to lower 60s, decreasing clouds. All areas will see decreasing clouds, although I think it happens a little earlier out west and a little later out towards the east. Look at these temps out west, though, mid to upper 60s and lower 70s for highs. Very nice out there. We're looking at a few degrees either side of 60 in the Tri-Cities, a little warmer down in northern portions of Kansas, and to the east we're looking at the coolest conditions in the mid to upper 50s to near 60 degrees. A little bit of early light snow, then eventually some decrease in clouds later in the day. Looking at your next 7 days, a cool down coming in for your Thursday and especially by Friday. And then a warm front comes through Friday night. We could bring in a small chance of some rain here for parts of central and especially eastern Nebraska overnight Friday night. The biggest change to the forecast is the weekend. It now looks like the nicest day will come Saturday. Got a high in the lower 60s for Saturday. We could see upper 50s, lower to mid 60s. Looks pretty decent actually for the Husker game in Lincoln. The high will get close to 60 degrees. But it does look like that cold front comes through very early on Sunday, possibly even before sunrise. So I have dropped that high quite a bit. This was something that was starting to show in the forecast models a couple of days ago, but now they're all starting to come into a general consensus of cooling things down quite a bit for Sunday, and in fact maybe even a little bit of a drop in temperature Sunday afternoon. We'll also be a little breezy behind that front on Sunday, and then we're back down in the 40s for highs on Monday and Tuesday. Not much precipitation to talk about. There could be a little bit out west for Monday night or early in the day on Tuesday. So the ups and the downs, they continue. Hopefully no more snow in the forecast for a while. There's a little bit of light moisture out there, but I'm not thinking there's going to be too much. We picked up 2.5 inches up in the Loop City area yesterday. Most places were under an inch of snow. In fact, most were well under an inch of snow, but there was a little bit of a heavy band that set up for a little bit of time up there in Sherman County, so they got a decent little snow out of yesterday's event. But most of that should melt off today with the warmer conditions and the sunshine returning. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great Wednesday, and God bless.